Okay, we will do some problems. So let us do this problem. Prove tan 20 degree tan 40 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 80 degree equal to 3. Okay. So how we will do this? See, tan 20 we don't know the formula. So tan 40 can be written as 2 into 20. Okay, tan 60 anyway we know the formula. Tan 60 equal to what? Tan 60 equal to root of 3. Okay, so this is LHS is going to become, LHS will be what? Root of 3 tan 20 tan 40 tan 60, oh sorry, tan 80, 80. Correct? So we can use 20, this will be 2 into 20. Okay, so you can 2 into 20, then this is going to become 4 into 20. So it becomes 2 into 2 into 20. Okay, so that is going to be complicated. Then you have to use all these formulas, ratios and everything. So instead, we can do that way also, but this is going to be a lengthy calculation. Okay, you can try that. So, and then if it's getting lengthy, then you have to look. See, whenever if some problem is there, you try to approach it. If it's coming out to be lengthy, then you can immediately shift to another method. Okay, because all the methods will come out to be same. Usually, it will not be that lengthy. Okay, so this is what I can write instead of this. This one, instead of writing as 2 into 20 or 4 into 20, I can write this as root of 3 into tan 20. This one I can write it as tan 60 minus 20. Correct? 60 minus 20, because I know the formula for 60. And this will be tan 60 plus 20. And then I will use a tan A plus B and A minus B formula. So that will make the life more easier. Root of 3. Okay, usually for whenever the tan comes this problem, because you have the ratio, denominator also. The square, everything will come up. So that makes it more lengthier calculation. Okay. So 3 tan 20 into, this will be what? Tell me. Tan 60 minus tan 20 divided by 1 plus tan 60 tan 20. So this will be into tan 60 plus tan 20 divided by 1 minus tan 60 tan 20. So we know tan 60 is equal to root of 3. So we will replace this one as root of 3. Root of 3. This is root of 3. This is root of 3. This is root of 3. Okay, so now let us try to do, and this is interesting. A plus B, A minus B. Correct? So this will become what happens. So, and here also same thing. Correct? A minus B into A plus B. So this will be root of 3 tan 20. Will that help us? This will be what? 3 minus tan square 20 divided by 1 plus 3 tan square 20. Okay? So somehow we have to get it in this form. Somehow this whole thing has to come out as root of 3. Yeah. How will we do that? So, let me multiply it inside. Okay? So what you are going to get is root of 3 into 3 times tan 20, okay, minus tan cube of 20, correct, divided by 1 plus,
Actually, 1 minus.
which is 1 minus? Oh, sorry, this is 1 minus. Yeah. 1 minus. So this is 1 minus 3 tan square 20. I guess we got the formula. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus tan square 3 tan square theta. Correct? So this whole thing is going to be root of 3 will be equal to 3 theta. Correct? So tan
3 into 20.
3 into 20. So that is equal to root of 3 into tan 60, and that is equal to, this is root of 3,
So root of 3 into
root of 3, so you get this, hence root. Okay? Let us do this problem. One more problem, that is prove 2 cosec 2x plus cosec x equal to secant x cot x by 2. So we are having the x by 2 formula. Okay, so we have somehow we have to bring the x by 2. So let us take the LHS. What is LHS? 2 cosec 2x plus cosec x, correct? That be equal to 2 times, this is 1 upon sin 2x. Okay, plus 1 upon sin x. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. 2 gets cancels off. 2 divided by 2 sin x cos x, 2 cancels off, plus 1 by sin x. Okay, so what we are getting? So this will be 1 by sin x cos x plus 1 by sin x. Let us take sin x commonly outside. 1 by sin x. If we take it out, what we are going to have?
1 by cos x
1 by cos x plus 1. So this will be, let me take cos x common. Okay. So cos x plus 1, cos x plus 1. You have 1 by sin x, na? Equal to 1 by sin x cos x plus 1 divided by cos x. Okay. Yeah, I can. So let me take this. See, now we got one value, sec x, right? That is nothing but 1 by cos x, correct? So this will be 1 by cos x into cos x plus 1 divided by sin x. So we got the first term, this secant x. So now this term has to be expressed as a cot x by 2. So this will be what? So 1 by cos x is secant x into cos x plus 1 divided by sin x. So now we have to bring x by 2 formula. So from here, if you see from sin 2 theta, if I write from here, if I write sin x is equal to 2 times sin x by 2 cos x by 2, correct? Of the formula. So, and that I can use it for sin x. Now you have to do for the cos x. So cos x, so this is cos x plus 1. So if I use this equation, then this plus or minus 1 will get cancelled. So let us use this. So this equation. So cos x will be equal to 2 times cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay. So from here, if I take the plus 1 minus 1 here, cos x plus 1 will be equal to 2 times cos square x by 2. So this is going to become secant x into cos x plus 1 is 2 times cos square x by 2 divided by sin x is equal to 2 times sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and we got the answer simply. Okay, so this is going to become secant x cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 equal to cot x by 2 equal to RHS. Okay, we will do this problem. Prove tan 5a plus tan 3a divided by tan 5a minus tan 3a equal to 4 cos square a into cos 4a. See, when you see such problems, something we have to get an idea how we are going to proceed, because we are having lot of formulas. Okay, so now if you see here, there is no, you see this is 5a, 3a, but here it is a, 4a. There's nothing. You have somehow you have to, because we want to get this 5a, 3a in terms of a and 4a. How are you going to do that? So either you can break up into things and then make it as long as possible. You're going to keep writing 4, 5, 10, 20 pages. You can keep doing it. So we have to think of is there any smart way of doing also. See, if I see somehow, if I'm able to add these two angles, 5a plus 3a, so what it will become? 8a. So if it's 8a, 8a is nothing but twice of 4a. Okay, so first you have to, before jumping into how to get into the problem, first you have to observe what is the way we can do it out. So somehow we have to get a combination of these two angles. So let us see, because in this form I can't get it, tan. So if I maybe possibly if I expand it in sine and cos, we may be possibly able to get it. So let us do that. So LHS. See, there are many ways to do. Okay, so this is a one way of doing. Tan 5a plus tan 3a divided by tan 5a minus tan 3a. Okay. So let us express in sine and cos. Sine 5a. Why I am doing is because you remember sine a plus b formula. That you can always write sine a cos b plus cos a sine b equal to sine a plus b. So somehow that way I can able to combine that to combine these two angles. Sine 5a by cos 5a plus tan 3, sorry, sine 3a by cos 3a. 3a divided by, what this will be? Sine 5a by cos 5a minus sine 3a by cos 3a. See, from here itself you got an idea. You got it, na? So when I take the LCM, sine 5a cos 3a, okay, then cos 5a sine 3a. So that will become as a combination, sum of the angles. Okay, so this will become what when you take the LCM in the, and both things cancels also, denominators. So this above is going to be sine 5a cos 3a plus cos 5a sine 3a divided by cos 5a cos 3a upon, this will be sine 5a cos 3a minus cos 5a sine 3a divided by cos 5a cos 3a. This cancels off, and sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, that will be equal to sine a plus b. So that is 5a plus 3a divided by
Sine A minus B.
so sine 5a minus 3a. So what we are getting? So this is going to be 5a plus 3a equal to 8a, correct? So this is sine 8a divided by 5a minus 3a sine 2a. Good. What's the form we have to write? I guess we got the answer. Isn't it?
So sine 2 into
Sine
4A.
8a we can write it as sine
2 into 4a.
2 into 4a, and sine 2a can be written as sine 2a sine 2a only. Okay, so let us expand this in sine 2a. How we will expand? Let us do this one. 2 sine a cos a. Okay. Fine. So and then this will be equal to sine 2 4a will be equal to what? Again the same thing, right? 2 times sine 4a cos 4a divided by 2 times sine a cos a. Okay, we got cos 4a already. Got it? Huh? So once you get any number, we keep it aside. So this is, so what we are having, sine 4a divided by sine a cos a into cos 4a. Okay? So cos 4a we got. So this we have to do it out. Sine 4a can be written as again 2 times of sine 2a. Correct? Is that we are doing it correct? Yes. So this is going to be sine 2 times of 2a. Okay, divided by sine a cos a into cos 4a. So this will be what? 2 sine 2a cos 2a. Correct? So this will be 2 times sine 2a cos 2a. Okay? So this is going to be again, sine 2a will be what? 2 times into, this is 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a cos a. See, we have to just keep on doing this jugglery. Cos 2a divided by sine a cos a into cos 4a. Okay? So this cancels off. Okay, so what's the answer we are having? Oh. So you are getting 4 cos 2a, am I right? 4 cos 2a into cos 4a. Is that a wrong? Yeah, there is a mistake. Okay, so this is cos 2a. It's a typo in the book. Okay, this is a typo. So we got the answer. Your book is having a lot of typos. So that's equal to RHS.